Hi everyone, welcome to DD classes. In last video we have discussed about the domestic territory and non-resident of the country. In this video we are going to learn about the citizenship and residentship. What are the difference between the citizenship and residentship we are going to learn. So first, citizenship. Citizenship means it is basically a legal concept based on the place of birth of person or some legal provisions allowing a person to become a citizen. It means Indian citizenship can arise in two ways. One is when a person is born in India, he acquires automatic citizenship of India. A person born outside India applies for citizenship and Indian law allows him to become Indian citizen. Citizenship அப்படின்னு பார்க்கும்போது ஒன்று இந்தியாவிலே பிறந்தவங்களாக இருப்பாங்க. That is one thing. And one more thing is, suppose some other persons from outside the country, rest of the world, foreign countries citizenship வேணும் apply பண்ணா the Indian laws allows him to become a Indian citizen. Residentship அப்படினு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா it is an economic concept based on the basic economic activities performed by a person. An individual is a normal resident of country if he ordinarily reside in the country for period more than 1 year. இப்போ ரெசிடென்ஷிப் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மற்ற நாட்டிலேருந்து வரவங்க 1 இயர்க்கு மேலே இங்கே இந்தியாவில் ஒர்க் பண்ணுறதோ இல்லை ஹெல்த் மூலயமா அட்மிட் ஆகிறதோ இல்லை டூரிஸ்ட்டுக்காக வராங்க வேறு எந்த ஒரு ஒர்க்குக்காக 1 இயர்க்கு மேலே அவங்க இங்கே இருந்தாங்கன்னா they are the residentship. But they are not a citizenship. 1 இயர்க்கு மேலே அவங்க இங்கே இருந்தாங்கன்னா they are the resident of the Indian country. So their center of economic interest also lies in that country. Economic activities, அவங்க spending or learning income, what are the business activities also held in the country. India means they are the residentship of the Indian country, not a citizenship. So example ஒன்று பார்த்தீங்கன்னா a Chinese living in India for more than 1 year is a normal resident of India. So however, he is not a citizen of India as he does not hold a citizenship of India because a person can be a citizen of one country at the same time a resident of the another country. So Chinese living in India for more than 1 year. 1 இயர்க்கு மேலே அந்த Chinese இந்தியாவில் இருந்தாங்கன்னா அந்த Chinese person residentship of India. He is not a citizenship of India. Okay, he is a resident of Indian country and citizenship of Chinese country. I hope you are all understand the citizenship and residentship and what are the difference between the citizenship and residentship. Thanks for watching. Share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.